Take command of the road in the 2013 Dodge Durango. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.